yeah. I definitely think that the coaches, they prepared us for everything that our opponents threw at us today. You know, we practiced really hard this week. We did film. We really studied how their ways of playing and stuff. And I just feel like, you know, we did a really good job tonight. I mean, we had some errors, but of course, I mean, this is the time to have them and to do film and correct them. But I'm really proud of my team.
Decía Celeste que piensa que los técnicos habían preparado muy bien el partido, que habían entrenado muy duro esta semana, que han estudiado mucho las formas que tiene de jugar el rival y que cree que han hecho un gran trabajo, que evidentemente hay cosas a mejorar, pero que esta es la época para tener cosas a mejorar y confío mucho en mejorar el equipo.
Celeste, you had a tough game against Araski, like in the first round of the competition, but you've always been good as a physical person in the paint, making some points and trying to get some difference. How tough was for you that the same team do a tough game for you twice in a season?
For me, I mean, of course it's tough. Like every time I step on the court, it's like a lot going on and I'm trying to stay in my role and do things that's gonna help the team and help my teammates. So for me, it's always a challenge just because the type of team that I have, that I'm on, and you know, I just try to do my job and stay in my role and go above and beyond whatever I can do.
Le preguntaba un poco cómo es el hecho de que le haya planteado dos veces en la misma temporada un partido tan duro, un rival como Araski, con su papel siempre anotando en la pintura. Decía Celeste que bueno, que siempre es duro, pero que ya lo que quiere es ayudar a sus compañeros, que siempre es el reto que se pone en los partidos, que da igual del equipo, que sabe cuál es su papel y que bueno, a ello se dedica.
Sí, la segunda parte habéis llegado a poneros más 10 sobre Araski, en cambio habéis finalizado para el descanso igualados en el marcador, habéis tenido poca anotación por vuestra parte. ¿Qué ha pasado ahí?
He's saying in the second quarter you have been 10 points up in the scoreboard, but then you have been 31 in the halftime. What happened there?
I think it was just like a lack of focus, and I mean, we had errors that we didn't quite shake off. I mean, that we didn't correct, you know, and I think it really hurt us there. But I mean, I think with just like I said, with time, I mean, those little errors and stuff that we made, I mean, I think that we're gonna shake them off and we're gonna learn from them, and you know, we're gonna do better. But it was just like our rotation defense. We weren't, you know, in help side like we should have. Just been on one page at moments and stuff. But we got it together.
Dice que bueno, que efectivamente les han hecho daño en ese momento, que tiene muchas cosas a mejorar, como decía antes, que cree que las van a poder mejorar, que algunas cosas en las que centrarse, como por ejemplo esa rotación de defensa que podía haber ayudado, pero que bueno, entre todas las van a mejorar de cada los próximos partidos.
You gonna face a tough 2 seasons, first with Funi Girona coming at the game that you don't play 2 weeks ago for the Eurocup, a month ago for the Eurocup women, and then the Queen's Cup. It's not the same without crowd, but it will be a tough and intense competition. How do you feel and how the team see the situation for the upcoming games?
I think that we need to just, you know, feed off of each other. We have to support each other and give each other energy because, I mean, like I said, playing basketball this season is unique for every team and everybody. And I mean, we have to feed off each other's energy and stuff just to, you know, to make sure that we're, I guess, there, you know? Yeah, and also, like I said, we've been taking game by game. You know, that's why, like, even if we play teams that are lower ranked, you know, we want to make sure that we work on things that we're going to need to play against Girona or whoever our next opponents are. So we take every game, you know, serious, and we're preparing for what's to come next, you know.
He preguntado un poco por los partidos que vienen, el partido de Girona, por la experiencia de jugar también la Copa de la Reina, y todo eso va a ser duro. Decía Celeste que bueno, que se trata de darse energía unas a otras, de apoyarse, de estar todas unidas para afrontar esos partidos, que la clave es afrontar los partidos partido a partido y que en esos partidos también aprovechar para trabajar cosas que luego van a necesitar contra esos rivales como Girona. ¿Alguna otra pregunta?
No.
Muchas gracias.
All right, gracias.